Alright, next I'm going to install the hammer strut into the frame. So simply just drop it in place. So while we have that going on, I'm also going to install the Sear assembly. It's real simple. I find it easier to actually lay the frame flat. So here is the Sear assembly, and you'll notice the spring, the Sear spring. There's really no way to put this in backwards with the spring, as long as one leg is up like that. Now you're wondering why the green string is there. I'm going to use it to tension the spring once I drive in one of the pins, and you'll see it in a minute. So for orientation's sake, the Sear is going to be inserted this way with this tail hook, or whatever you want to call it, facing the back of the frame. Alright, so I'm going to install this like so. And my goal here, let's see, make sure that doesn't move too much. My goal is to install it without disturbing the spring or anything of that nature. There you go, got it lined up. So I'm gently going to release my forceps. Just bear with me here. Okay. Perfect. So now I have to drive this pin right here into the frame. So it'll come in, like as you see it right now, I'm going to come in from under, and the pin will eventually, after going through the Sear and the Sear spring, it'll actually pop out of this hole, and then I can secure it with a C-clip. If you're having trouble aligning things, I usually just kind of wiggle the Sear around. I can wiggle it from here and just kind of, you know, move the spring in place until I have it where I need it. Sometimes you gotta persuade it with the punch. There you go. So I usually just rotate the punch like this until I can get it all the way through. Alright, sweet. So now I can secure it with the C-clip. I'll put the C-clip here, like so. Let's get that ready. Take a screwdriver and just push inward. There, locked in place. Perfect. Now I am going to put this pin in place. And what this pin does is actually rest on the other leg of the Sear spring. So let me start that really quick. There you go, just got it started. There, perfect. Now I'm only going to go halfway. There's a reason for that. You won't be able to see it, but I'm going to put this punch in the opposite hole here. Okay, it's going to act like a dummy pin. The logic behind it is that when I pull that string, I should be able to push this pin in, this punch in, and the leg of the spring will rest on the punch. And then from the opposite side, I can drive this pin here to drive this punch out. And then it should tension the spring. So I'll try to demonstrate that now. Alright. Let's see. There we go. Let me grab that string with my pliers or my tweezers. I try to use the color green to help you guys visualize what I'm trying to do. There you go. There you go. Okay. So my goal is to pull this string this way and tension the spring and then push this pin inward. So I'm gonna try to go for it and see if I get it right. Alright, here we go.